Redis lets you group commands into a transaction so no other client can sneak in between them. In this video, you will learn exactly how that works and what to watch for in a code review. When two commands must happen together, like reading a balance and then decrementing it, a transaction prevents another client from changing the data in between. Multi starts the queue and exec fires everything at once. After multi-I, every command you send gets queued on the server. When you call exec, Redis executes them all in order, atomically. Steps 2 through 4 are the atomic window. Nothing else can run inside it. Watch what happens. After multi, each INCR replies with queued, then exec returns both results at once. When we open a second transaction and call discard instead, the key is untouched. In a pull request, check that every multi has a matching exec, and that discard lives in the error handler. The classic bug is a get outside the transaction followed by a set inside. Another client can change the value in that gap. Remember, multi queues exec fires atomically, and discard cleans up. The most common review bug is a check outside the transaction and a write inside. That gap is exactly what multi is meant to close.